I'm very happy with this, the way it's coming along. Starting out a little late today because I went to this wonderful class at La Terraza de Mari. She hosted a yoga class from a school in Manzanillo, and it was just so great. So I didn't want to come home. And
Nomás lo que tiene adentro, dice. Voy a poner mezcalito. ¿Qué va a decir para arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para adentro? Por el gusto de arriba.
And I am picking up my washers that I bought yesterday, and I'm going to the studio because today what I have to do, hello, my girl, because today what I have to do is stick that piece together with the all thread, with the threaded rod in it, and see if I can actually get it together. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm sure I can manage it. So that's the job for today. And what a gorgeously beautiful day it is today. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here we go. This is my girl Emmy. She's happy that I'm home. And Anna is here working on this new piece. That's going great. And this is Anna's station. And this is my station. And this is my rig for where I put my camera sometimes when I'm filming. So today it's time to get out this one and put the threaded rod in it, which is right here. So I think I know how to do this. I'm just gonna set the camera on the tripod and get going. I bought washers that are a little heavier because I want weight in the bottom of this sculpture. So I just put those washers in. The threaded rod goes all the way down to underneath. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna tighten everything up, put everything back together, and test to make sure that this is gonna work and that I can bend the rod, which needs to be bent just a little bit for the figures right around here. So the next thing is to put the tube, this sonotube, on to the top of that, and then put this top of the base onto that, and then I'll mark all my lines where the threaded rod needs to be bent. Tiny bit more. Now they're all bent twice, and I'm gonna put them through the top of the base first. And here we are back to having it put together, and now it's glued together. The feet are on, but the feet are not glued, and that's the next step. Fix up that top of the base where it's white, glue on the feet, and then put the legs on, I think. I'm very happy with this, the way it's coming along. Of course, I have a lot of work to do still, but you can see that it's almost done. I need the two heads. And so thumbs up, subscribe, everything. Stay with me.